Okay, good evening, students. I now want to teach you about schools of Indian philosophy, about different schools of Indian philosophy. Okay, okay. Now, uh, mainly we divide Indian philosophy into main two branches. What are they? What are they? They are Nastika. Sorry. Okay. Okay, this blue one. Okay. Nastika and Astika. Students, can you tell the meaning of Nastika and Astika? Okay. Uh, here I discuss. Nastika and Astika. You should know that generally we call those people Nastics who doesn't believe in God, and we call those people Astics who believe in God. But this is not the case here. Okay? Is it sounds surprise, astonishing? In traditional Sanskrit or in traditional Indian philosophy, the very phrase Nastika, the very phrase Nastika stands for three branches of Indian schools. What are those branches? Those branches who doesn't believe in Vedas. Yes, who doesn't believe in Vedas are called Nastics because Ved is the most important recorded document of Indian philosophy, or it is the most ancient and valuable text even among world literature. So the schools who don't believe in Vedas are called Nastics. What are those schools? Charvak, Bauddha and Jaina. Charvak, Bauddha and Jaina. Okay, where I write Bauddha and Jaina. I will explain it later on. The people, the system, the philosophical schools who believe in Astika, who believe in Vedas, are called Astikas. There are 6 systems. Okay, there are 6 systems. What are they? They are Shankho Yoga. Shankho is called to be the ancient philosophical system. Shankho is called to be, you may observe the spelling. Indian philosophy has its own style of spelling. Okay? A, O, A, which is I in Devanagari, we A and dash above A. Okay? Shankha, Yoga. Shankha Yoga are called to be two sister systems because there are similarities. Why are they different? Because they are. Why are there 2 systems? Because there are dissimilarities also. So there are 3 sister systems which have some similarities and dissimilarities also. So there are 2 systems, but as there are many similarities, so it is called sister system. One pair is Shankha Yoga. The next pair is Naya. Vaisheshika. Nyaya Vaisheshik is one of sister systems also. In Nyaya part, the epistemology is described, and in Vaisheshika, the metaphysics is described. Okay, and there are one part which are one thing is to be mentioned. These four systems, Shankhaja, Nyaya Vaisheshik, are school based on independent grounds. These are the school based on independent grounds. There are two branches which are it is schools based on independent ground. Okay, sorry. I think you can write it. Okay, I now clean up. School directly based on schools. Astika. Schools directly based on Vedic text. Okay. School the Mimamsha and Vedanta. And Vedanta has different branches, Advaita Vedanta, Vishishta Dvaita Vedanta, Dvaita Dvaita Vedanta, etc. And Mimamsha, Mimamsha emphasizes the ritualistic, emphasizes on the ritualistic aspect of the Vedas. And Vedanta emphasizes on the speculative aspect of the Vedas. These are two sister systems also. Mimamsa is called Purva Mimamsha and Vedanta is called Uttar Mimamsha. Okay, and Brihspati is called to be the founder of Charvak system. Buddha and Jaina are in the very term Buddha and Jainas believe in life after death. So in that colloquial sense, with the Buddha and Jaina system can be called Astika. But in Indian philosophy, in Indian traditional system, in Indian technical sense, Buddha and Jaina are Nastic schools because they don't believe in Vedas, and you should know that it is evolved as a Protestant movement against Hinduism or Vedas, against the priest culture. Okay, and Mahashika Shankho is the ancient system. Ishar Krishna's Sankho Karika is the text of Shankho, is the main text of Sankho philosophy. Patanjali's Yoga Sutra is the main, Yoga Sutra is the main text of Yoga philosophy. And there are Maharishi Gautam's Nyaya Sutra is the main text of Nyaya philosophy. Maharishi Kanad's main text, Maharishi Kanad's main Kanad's text are the main text of Vaisheshik philosophy. And there are Maharishi Jaimini's Mimamsa is the main text of Mimamsa philosophy, and there are Badaran's Brahma Sutra is the main text of Vedanta philosophy. I think you can write it, you can take down my dictations, and there are Vedanta philosophy, and that main two interpreters are Shankar, which is world famous, and Raman, which is Vishishta Dvaita Vedanta. Okay, I think this is, and there are one in ancient India. There are two schools, grammarian schools, or etc. But there are main 9 branches.